new unboxing, and it's a painting that I bought in one of Miss Christina Welch live auction, and I'm so excited to open this and excited to see the painting for the first time. So I'm gonna tear it apart. I think in this side. Cannot see the So I bought two paintings in one of her live stream, and it's so hard to open the box. It's really sealed. So excited, guys! I'm so excited. Yay! So there's like a bubble wrap. Wow! And there's a glazing. It's been wrapped with glazing, so to protect the painting, it needs to be wrapped with glazing, with a paper towel, with foil before you ship it. So I'm very much excited with this. Oh my god. Look how pretty it is. It is so pretty, guys. It's really pretty. And it's very shiny. And look at the cells. There's the cells. Oh, I really love this. I really love this. It's very warm in the eyes, and the back is there's a you can hang it directly, and it's really perfect for the coming breast cancer month because there's like a pink, black, and red on this. That's why I the moment I saw this painting, I really like it. I fall in love in this painting when she did the live auction. And it's a perfect gift also. And this is the other one. Like, it's all pink. So pretty. And it's been varnished with a high gloss varnish. And there's a hook also at the back. I really love this. I really love it. So I bought two paintings in one of her live stream, and I really like it. It's so beautiful. And it's really perfect for the breast cancer awareness month this coming October. So to everyone that want to see more of Miss Christina Welch painting tutorial, please visit her to her YouTube channel. And you can see a lot of her beautiful creation. And this one too. It's very shiny. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and my unboxing. This is the second time that I do an unboxing from the paintings that I received from Miss Christina Welch, and it's really beautiful. Thank you so much and have a blessed day, everyone. Hello everyone! Now we're gonna tour you around in Micah's room. Open the door. So this is Micah's room. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. She wants me to get in. Can you open your closet? Okay. So this is her piano. This is the wallpaper of her room. So I'm the one who decorated it. There's a cherry blossom. You're playing with to them. There's a balls, butterflies, because I love butterflies. That's why her room is butterflies theme. There's a fairy also. The butterfly. Mother balls. Her ABCs. So everything is been made before she arrived. This is her bed, and she have a spare bed here that sometimes she use if she want to bounce, like the stars. At night it's lightning. That's her stuffed toys.